Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Monday, September 6, 2021 on our channel. Lineage Logistics completes Northern Superhub cold storage warehouse expansion in the UK. Emerson announces the launch of the largest R-290 scroll compressor. AEFYT launches its first course on automation of refrigeration installations with A2L Refrigerants. So, first news today. Lineage Logistics completes Northern Superhub cold storage warehouse expansion in the UK. Lineage Logistics, LLC, the world's largest and most innovative temperature-controlled industrial and logistics solutions provider, announced the completion of the expansion of its Haywood Northern Superhub, making Manchester home to the UK's most advanced cold storage facility. The upgraded warehouse will play a key role in UK food distribution and consume 75% less energy than the European average as it features the latest technologies that maximize warehouse space utilization. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Emerson announces the launch of the largest R-290 scroll compressor. Emerson announced the launch of the Copeland EBK-1G scroll compressor, the largest R-290 scroll available on the market. It is the choice for refrigeration chiller applications, precise chillers and secondary systems. This range of propane scrolls compressors meets Emerson's reliability standards and is a TEX Class II certified. With this dedicated R-290 package solution, not only can marketing time be decreased considerably, but performance is enhanced by leveraging the cross-functional expertise. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. AEFYT launches its first course on automation of refrigeration installations with A2L Refrigerants. AEFYT, Association of Refrigeration Companies and Their Technologies, launches its first course on automation of refrigeration installations with A2L Refrigerants. The 32-hour course begins on September 14 and will be developed with a double digital methodology, which includes an online module with a tutor and a live module with a teacher and a dynamic tutor. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.